If she says this, she wants you to make a move. Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever been in a situation where you are unsure if it's the right time to make a move? In today's video, we are decoding the specific things a girl says when she's hoping you will take the next step. It's about picking up on those verbal cues that might seem casual but are actually her way of giving you the green light. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently interpret her words and understand when she is certainly inviting you to make your move. Oh, and be sure not to miss out on the bonus tip at the end because you are going to need it. I wish I could meet someone like you. When a girl says, I wish I could meet someone like you, it's often more than just casual conversation. This can be a subtle hint of her interest in you. By expressing a desire to meet someone like you, she may be indirectly indicating that you are the type of person she's interested in. It's a way of complimenting your qualities and character, suggesting that you embody the traits she seeks in a partner. Now, this phrase can be her way of testing the waters to see if you feel the same way about her. If you are interested in her as well, this is a great opportunity to make a move. You can respond with something that shows mutual interest, like, well, you don't have to look far, I'm right here, or what if you've already met that person? These responses open the door for more direct communication about your feelings. Be attentive to her reaction to gauge whether she is ready to take the conversation to the next level. We should hang out more often. When a girl suggests hanging out more often, it's a clear signal of her interest in spending additional time with you. This statement is often her way of indirectly expressing a desire to deepen the relationship. By proposing more frequent meetups, she's opening the door for you to take the initiative. It indicates that she enjoys your company and is possibly looking for opportunities to explore a closer connection. It's a sign that she's comfortable around you and interested in what could develop from spending more time together. If you're also interested in her, this is your cue to start planning more activities together. So respond with enthusiasm and suggest specific ideas or plans. For example, I'd love that. How about we check out that new cafe downtown this weekend? Or, that sounds great. Maybe we can go for a hike next Saturday. Offering concrete plans shows that you are equally interested in spending more time with her. It's important to follow through on these suggestions to demonstrate your sincerity. Remember, the key is to create enjoyable experiences together that can naturally lead to deepening your bond. No one has ever done that for me before. It often indicates that she is touched and appreciates the unique actions that you've taken on her behalf. Now, this phrase can be a sign of her recognizing and valuing the special attention or effort you've made for her. It's an acknowledgement that what you've done actually stands out in her experiences, possibly making her feel special and cared for. Such a statement can hint that she's impressed by your actions and may be open to developing a deeper connection with you. If you are interested in her, this is an opportunity to express that your actions are a reflection of your feelings. You can respond with something like, I'm glad I could do something special for you. Or you can say, it's easy to make an effort for someone as amazing as you. This shows that your gestures are not just random acts of kindness, but are driven by your genuine interest in her. It's a way to subtly convey that you care about her and you are willing to go that extra mile, potentially encouraging her to see you in a romantic light. What's your type? When a girl inquires about your type, it often indicates her interest in understanding how she fits into your preferences. This question can be her subtle way of gauging whether there is potential for a romantic connection based on your response. It's a direct yet discreet method of finding out if she aligns with the qualities that you find attractive. Her curiosity about your preferences suggests that she is considering the possibility of a relationship and just wants to know if she stands a chance. If you are interested in her, craft your response to include qualities similar to hers without obviously being too obvious. For instance, you can say, well, I really appreciate appreciate people who are compassionate and have a great sense of humour. Now, if these are traits that she possesses, this approach subtly hints that she might be your type, encouraging her to see a potential match in you. So be genuine in your response, as authenticity is key in these interactions. It's a chance to show her that you value traits that she exhibits, potentially encouraging her to view the relationship from a romantic perspective. Hey, before we dive into the next one, if you are enjoying today's video and finding it helpful, then I would really appreciate you hitting that like button, or maybe even leaving a comment. Leave a clue to your favourite movie using emojis only, and I'll try and figure out what it is. Now, on to the next point. You are such a great listener. When she tells you that you are a great listener, it's more than just a casual compliment. It's an appreciation of the emotional connection and understanding you've established with her. By acknowledging your listening skills, she is indicating that she feels heard and valued in your presence. This acknowledgement suggests a level of comfort and trust in your interactions. It's a sign that she appreciates not just the conversation, but the connection and the attention you provide. If you share her feelings, acknowledge the compliment, and let her know you enjoy your conversations as well. You could respond with something like, "I always enjoy our talks, you make it easy to be a good listener." This not only shows appreciation for her compliment, but also indicates mutual enjoyment of the time spent together. It's an opportunity to express that your interest goes beyond surface level interactions, and that you value the deeper connection you are building with her. I wish I could find someone to go to this event with. When a girl expresses a wish to find someone to accompany her to an event, it's often a subtle invitation for you to volunteer. This can be her way of hinting that she would enjoy your company at the event and is interested in experiencing it with you. Now, this is a gentle nudge to see if you are willing to step up and spend time with her in a setting that could be more intimate or significant than your usual interactions. If you are interested in her and would like to attend the event together, offer to be her companion. You can respond with enthusiasm and interest, such as, "That sounds like fun, I'd love to go with you," or "I've been wanting to go to that event too, should we go together?" By offering to accompany her, you are directly responding to her hint and showing your willingness to take the next step in your relationship. It's a great opportunity to share an experience that could bring you closer and strengthen your bond. A crucial bonus tip following these points is mastering the art of reciprocating interest. It's an essential aspect in advancing a relationship, and this tip will explore how to effectively show your interest in response to her cues, enhancing the mutual connection. Reciprocating interest is about responding to her subtle hints and expressions of interest with equal enthusiasm and sincerity. It involves recognizing the signs that she's interested and mirroring that interest in your actions and words. For instance, if she shares about her hobbies, show genuine curiosity, ask questions, or even suggest participating in them together. If she initiates contact, respond promptly and with equal engagement. The key is to be attentive to her signals and respond in a way that makes her feel appreciated and understood. This reciprocal approach helps in building mutual attraction and deepening the emotional bond between you. Effectively, reciprocating interest not only validates her feelings, but also builds a foundation of mutual respect and attraction. It's about creating a balanced dynamic where both parties feel equally engaged and valued. This practice is fundamental in transitioning from initial attraction to a deeper, more meaningful relationship. So now that you know when it's time to make your move, what is next for you? Discover what girls do to hit on you, or find out the things that girls say when they've been missing you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.